Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Christy. If you're new here, we do new makeup tutorials every week, so don't forget to subscribe before you go and hit the bell so you get all the new videos. Today we're playing with the Wet n Wild Nautical Nonsense Bikini Bottom Inspired palette. And here's all the pretty shades. I'm taking this orange shade first called Pretty Patty and this Essence shader brush. And we're just going to pop this in the crease and blend it out. Now, I already primed my eyelids and did my face and everything. I primed my eyelids with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And for foundation, I used my Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation in Buff Bisque. Moving on, I'm taking my ABH eye primer again and I'm cutting the crease. The first shade we're putting on the crease in the inner part of the eye is the green shade. It's very sparkly. The shade's called Me Money. That's so funny. It reminds me of how excited Mr. Krabs always was about money. For the middle part of the eyelid on the crease, I'm taking the gold shade called Square Pants. And I'm just going to keep blending this back and forth with the green shade. The two shades blend really well together. Now for the outer part of the eyelid on the crease, we're going back into that green shade called Me Money. And I'm kind of just going to flick it out like a wing, kind of. I'm going to do that on both sides. Blending it in with the gold. Cleaning the edges up with a makeup wipe. Picking up that shader brush we used in the beginning and the orange color called Pretty Patty, I'm just going to blend out the edges once more, neaten them up. Give it a nice seamless look. For the waterline, I'm taking the Auto Eyeliner by LA Girl, Pastel Dream, in the color Magic Mint. I'm taking this lime green shade called Best Day Ever. We're just going to use this on the waterline to smoothen it out. For mascara, I'm taking the Air Volume Mascara. For blush, I'm taking my She Glam Roman Holiday blush. And I'm using this Chic blush brush. For highlighter, I'm taking the Spongebob highlighter that comes with the Nautical Nonsense collection. And boy, let me tell you, that gives you a really good yellow glow. I really like this highlighter. For lip gloss, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss in the color Gemini. It gives you a nice sparkly pink lip. And this pretty much completes today's look with the Spongebob palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!